So that's our block of marzipan. All we need to do now is wrap it in cling film and we're going to store it in the fridge. It can store in the fridge for up to a month. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making marzipan. Have to make marzipan, can't buy it, and we need to decorate our Christmas cake. Bobbing gloves on because we're using almond extract actually. Right, we've got a sieve. We're going to sieve our almond flour. Now you have to sieve it because it might have almond shell in. Okay, and we have some powdered sugar. We're going to sieve this as well. Just sieve it all. In with a pinch of salt. And then we're just going to give that a mix up. Mix it all in there. Nice and steady. That's all our dry ingredients. Almond extract, okay, or almond flavour. I'm using McCormick's. In we go. Now it's all about the almond, so you have to put it in. And this is egg white. A couple of egg whites there. So just bring that in nice and gently. And then we're going to get our hands in and we're going to bring it all into a dough. Now I'm wearing gloves for this one simply because my hands are going to smell of almond extract. So just bring it all together. Now if it's too sticky, you add a little bit more almond, ground almond. But it's nice to have a little bit of pliableness in this. But this is going to be stored in the fridge for another few days. Can be stored in the fridge for up to a month. Okay, we want to take a little bit of powdered sugar, and we want a little bit of powdered sugar on our work surface. And we actually want to take our dough and knead it until it becomes quite smooth. So that's our block of marzipan. All we need to do now is wrap it in cling film and we're going to store it in the fridge. It can store in the fridge for up to a month. That's marzipan made. It's as easy as that to make your own marzipan. And then that's ready for using as cake decoration or putting over the Christmas cake like we're going to do. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video. In the fridge.